Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shauna Barnes, and I am so excited to be actually part of this course. I feel like not only is it a step forward in actually graduating and being able to do this on a more professional level, but also an opportunity to just gain more knowledge because I feel like in the social work field, it's an ever growing, ever changing field, really. So, constantly having to be open minded to the different changes is something that's really important, I think, not only for a student, but as a clinician. Um, so, I originally have been in, I guess you say, the rehabilitation social work field for quite some time. I initially started my undergrad year. I started with personal care in the rehab field. So I would work with students and older students with developmental disabilities, specifically more so Asperger's syndrome, kind of transition from home to living on their own and being able to really integrate into the college community. And from there, I began working as a case manager, and that was more so with individuals within the substance abuse community, but also individuals that were also part of the IDD community. So they basically had dual diagnosis. So I did that for about 2 years. I worked within a major city, so I kind of learned, that was my first experience to learn how difficult it could be in really engaging clients with these type of disorders in treatment. So that experience actually made me more interested in working within the field. So currently now I work as a individual substance abuse counselor at an outpatient facility, which I thoroughly love doing. That's, I could say, part of my niche. Is working within that field and really being able to develop those relationships, working one-on-one and observe the transition. And then again, prior to that, I worked at an inpatient substance abuse treatment center doing group therapeutic sessions. So just really been able to, and fortunate enough to be able to work with different realms within the rehab social work field, I guess you would say. So my main goal into developing into a clinical social worker is really being able to not only touch on the environmental factors, external factors, but also the internal factors. I think a lot of times people tend to forget that, a lot of issues don't start from the outside. That may enhance them, but it really begins with the inside. So definitely being able to not only help with independent living, but also being able to help with the client living within themselves, learning about themselves, really developing a understanding of self. And I know at times that can be difficult. So my real main goal is really being able to touch on those realms and having the client really understand their emotions, their thought processes, so that they can better engage in society. So I definitely hope to work with each and every one of you, and I look forward to just like I said before, engaging in the course and just seeing what it has in store. Thank you.